Hi everybody, this is Matt Davis, front-end engineer at LaunchDarkly. I'm excited to talk to you about how we're helping teams set performance thresholds that actually mean something within their guarded releases. If you have ever tried to roll out a new feature and you're sitting there and you're watching your metrics move and you weren't sure whether it was a regression truly or not, or just noise, you're not alone. We fixed it. So let's talk about an example. Let's say you're rolling out faster payments. You've been working on it for a while now, and you care most about ensuring that errors don't get out of control. We know that our control group has a 3% error rate. We're going to set a regression threshold for errors at 15% here. We can choose to set this to automatic rollback or not, depending on how sensitive we are to regression. Let's not do it in this case. If we were also worried about maybe the latency of these calls or the amount of money total that is being brought in with this new change, we could also make changes to our rollout based on those metrics here. I think probably for something like this, we'd probably want to expand from 24 to maybe 48 hours, 24 being the default. And then over the course of 2 days, the rollout will proceed. If at any time the treatment's error rate exceeds 3.5%, remember that these numbers are relative. So we're not talking about a 15% error rate, we're talking 15% worse than the control. So if we exceed about 3.5%, then we'll pause that rollout and notify the team automatically. Notice that since we're not rolling back, we're just going to notify. And then the team gets to fix the problem before it becomes a real incident. And all you really had to do here was set your threshold. If you're already using guarded releases, thresholds make it smarter. And if you're not, thresholds are the reason to start. No more fuzzy rollout rules. No more second guessing your metrics. Just clear boundaries, enforced automatically, with zero guesswork. Happy shipping.